Hi there, beauties. Welcome back to Wendy's World. I want to discuss with you today the fear of aging, especially us ladies when we're entering into our 40s and our 50s, and I have entered into my 50s. I have shown to you wonderful and accessible ways of addressing the aging process. So the other thing that I want to discuss with you is that you can address that process and slow the process down by thinking positively, eating well, sleeping well, getting out and enjoying the fresh air and exercising. All of that goes a long way. I'm going to show you an accessible product to address the bags under your eyes, and I'll do that in a moment. Stay tuned. So to try to deal with the puffiness under my eyes, I purchased these patches and I got them online. And as you can see, I already have one on. So it's pretty easy to use. You just put it around your eyes like that and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now, the patch itself is kind of coolish, has a little bit of water on it. What I can suggest is if you want it even more cool, just put it in the refrigerator before applying it. As you can see, I have a completely clean face. I just came out of the shower. I have absolutely no makeup on, and that's probably the best way to apply these. And let them sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, I'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, beauties, it's been about 10 minutes, and I'm going to take off the patch, and you can see, wow, that's made quite a difference. Look. Way better. Amazing. So it's not easy to appear on a line like this, fresh face, but you know what, I feel really good about myself. I think us ladies that are a little bit more mature, and if you follow some of my tutorials, you can see great improvements in the quality of your skin and how you feel, and it helps with your attitude about how you feel about yourself and your outlook. And I always do subscribe. Inner beauty will shine through on your outer beauty. Okay, folks, so this is the packaging that came. I will actually link up the name of this product. Right now I am actually on holiday, so I don't have the name of the product with me, but I will do that for you later. Okay, I'm gonna actually put on my makeup, do my hair, and show you the results. See you soon. Okay, so I look pretty good. I'm going to put my face towards the window, and you can see my eyes aren't that puffy. So this is such an easy product to take with you when you're on vacation. I am on vacation right now. I've been in Vancouver and Salt Spring for about 11 days now. Salt Spring, I was able to paddle, and in Vancouver at Kitsilano, I was able to paddle as well. I've also created a video in regards to paddling, and you ladies can check that out. So this product is really easy to use. It's actually quite reasonable to purchase. I will link up how to purchase this product. And I thank you so much for allowing me to do this type of work and coming to you guys and helping you guys out. It makes me feel really good at the end of the day, and I hope that I'm helping you as well. As I mentioned, I am in Vancouver, so if you ever get a chance, come out to Vancouver. It's a beautiful, beautiful town. They have wonderful places to visit like Gastown, Granville Island, also Kitsilano Beach. These are three of my favorite places to go to. And check out my nails. I've had them manicured as well. It's just a little thing that you can do for yourself at the end of the day, ladies. If you're feeling kind of down, those little things always make a difference for your mood. Okay, thanks so much for joining me in Wendy's World. If you ever get a chance, please hit that subscribe button. If you love this video, also like it and share it. I would love the support. Thanks so much for joining me in Wendy's World, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.